Okay, I've got number 7 over here saying 2.5 plus 7/8. I obviously want to get the denominators to be equal, so I want to turn this denominator into an 8. So again, I need to think, how many times can 2 fit into 8, or 8 divided by 2? So if I times that by 4, because 2 times 4 is 8, what do I do to the bottom? Do to the top. So now I can rewrite that as 2 and 4/8 plus 7/8. Okay. Could do it this way. I've got 2 wholes. The 8 is the denominator. And then I just, because they're the same, I can just go straight across. 4 plus 7 is 11. Now this is not the correct answer, because 11 is greater than 8, it's bigger than 8. So I now have to do, I know 8 can fit into 11 one time, because 1 times 8. 2 times 8 is 16, it's too big. So I know 8 slices of pizza is 1 whole. If I add 1 to the 2, equals 3 wholes. 11 minus 8, 3. There's 3 left over. So I change this to 3. So my answer is 3 wholes and 3/8. I could do it that way. If you pause the video, you can always come back to this. Another option is if you do this. Same sort of setup here. I'm going to change this to equal 8. So this I'm times by 4. What I do to the bottom, I do to the top. So sort of same situation here. So this is now going to say 2 and 4/8 plus 7/8. It's what we had before. What I'm going to do different this time is I'm going to do 8 times 2, because 8 is how many make up 1 whole. I'm going to do 8 times 2 is 16 plus 4 gives me 20. So I can rewrite this as 20 over 8 plus 7/8. A little bit hard to see this, so I'll just change the marker. The 8 is the denominator, they're the same, so I can keep that the same. 20 plus 7 gives me 27. This is what is known as an improper fraction, where the numerator is bigger or greater than the denominator. To turn it around into a mixed number, I might use my multiplication skills. 8 times 1 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, 8 times 3 is 24, 8 times 4 is 32, 32 is too big, so you can go once, twice, 3 times. And I think 3 times 8 is 24, and then I just, 27 minus 24 gives me 3. So I'll have 3 left over. So same answer, 3 wholes and 3/8. If I want to turn this back into a improper fraction, denominator multiplied by the whole plus the numerator. So 8 times 3 is 24, plus 3 is 27 over 8. Same sort of situation, you can choose either way to do these other fractions as well. Again, good luck to you and your family.